Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today we'll be showing you around this stunning approved used Audi A1 Sportback S-Line 30 TFSI. It comes dressed in the gorgeous Mythos black, sure to turn heads when on the road, all while standing 17-inch alloy wheels with the 5-spoke V design, making a bold statement with every turn. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear, you have the stylish leather and cloth upholstery with the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. To the front of the cabin, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash, the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather and cloth upholstery, the iconic S embossed logo. Behind the wheel, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features such as selection of your favourite DAB radio stations and connection of your mobile phone device. The MMI multimedia display going into phone apps to use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's USB port. In the car menu with Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving modes such as dynamic for a more sporty drive. Parking aid for rear volume settings of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces. And driver assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Media to have all your favourite apps, and radio to choose from your favourite DAB radio stations. Below, you have the manual air conditioning, so both driver and passenger can set the preferred temperature regardless of the weather outside. Stay connected with the 2 USB charging points. Finished off with the sleek automatic gearbox and 2 handy cup holders for those morning coffees. This approved used Audi A1 Sportback is now available and on site. For more information, call our sales team today, who will be more than happy to help. Thank you.